Keith, thank you. Wichita Public Schools evaluating potential closures next week. The district considers a lot of different things when deciding whether to cancel or delay classes. It's not all about the snow. It includes student safety. So those wind chills we're talking about become important. And then, of course, the road conditions and building conditions. The district also considers how far in advance they cancel school, noting that families need some time to prepare for childcare if you're a parent that still has to go to work.
If it's extreme cold, making sure that we have no burst pipes, that our buildings are heated at a comfortable level, all of those things before we make the call.
This morning, the district worked to get its trucks snow removal ready. The district has a crew of about 90 people with 6 dump trucks, 30 to 40 bladed pickups, and tractors, skid steers, and high loaders to try and clear those parking lots with